Good morning, y'all. Powder Mountain, Utah. Roughly 4,300 feet above sea level here in the valley from your front doorstep to over 10,000 feet in elevation. In about 45-minute drive or less. Less, half hour if you got 4x4 or chains. Joaquin Torres here. Meraki Media Experience, Empirical Enterprises. Good morning. I'm going to say some bad words. You're just going to have to deal with it. Trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, reverent. Look them up. If you know, you know. That's the Scout motto. I was a Boy Scout. Big shout, Camp Russell, Old Forge, New York, White Lake, General Herkimer Council. Anyway, when did those become bad words? They're not in my book. But anyway, those words are intrinsically inherent in my world. If you don't know those words mean, look them up. Ask somebody. Ask Siri. But I want to ask you guys a question. Do you have 4 friends? 2, 3, 4 friends? Friends who you treat like family. Generally, I treat my friends like family with an extremely high level of love and respect. And, it doesn't matter. I'd rather have 4 quarters than 10 dimes. Do you have a dynamic in your family where your parents are your friends? I'm talking about people who you trust. Trust is a hard thing. Everybody out there, we're walking around like this, and we need to start walking around more like this. And you have to trust to move forward. But do you work your tail off? Do you and your friends work full time? Are you students? Do you go to school full time? Prove it. Can you prove it? Do you have an ID that says who you are? A couple bank records, statements, maybe a tax return. Anyway, what I'm getting at here is I want to present you with a scenario. A house. You're a student. Maybe not. You work. You buy a house right next to the college you go to. 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, doesn't matter. You move in together. You have your friends paying your mortgage for you, paying for your property. You have cash in your pocket every month. Maybe you need a cosigner. Can you make something like that happen? Do you want to make something like that happen? That's taking control of your future. When you graduate college, 4 or 5, some people go to school for 8 or 9 years. They call them doctors and lawyers and whatnot. But anyway, when you graduate, you have something to get something back out of, to put in your pocket, a stack of cash as you go out into the world and start to build a brand, create a business, believe in yourself, right? Or you keep it. You keep that house and you continue to rent it out to students. And you keep it in your family. And you still have that property 20 years from now, equity. You get a loan, you buy assets, you get equity, you pay off the loan. You secure your future. You secure the next 10 years of your life. It's really incredible. It's really incredible. Anyway, if that scenario fits you, I'm talking to you. I have a property listed on the MLS. It's a TRI-PLEX. It's a multi-unit. It's in Ogden, Utah. As the crow flies, maybe 2 or 3 miles tops from Weber State University, as a matter of fact. I was a full-time student there last year. And I plan to take more classes there as well, as a matter of fact. But I would like to show you this. There's a link to this video. right down there at the bottom somewhere, that's a more informative link about that property. So get a hold of me. Let's connect. If you're interested in that, you know, you're gonna have to connect a few dots here. And that's what we want. We want people who aren't scared to lean forward and connect dots. Even if you can't connect dots, I'll help you. I am a licensed real estate sales professional. I started out as a home inspector, inspecting over 700 properties throughout the Utah Valley. And I'll always have all that knowledge with me. And you know, I'm just looking forward to connecting with you guys. Tentative open house this Saturday, November 15th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you want, if you're so inclined, come on over and walk through the property. And I just wanted to tell you that the property, it has 3 renters in it now, generating rental income now. So it's absolutely a great investment. You know, you have a stack of cash tentatively in your pocket every month. And, you know, that's also within 22 to 55 days. The average, I think, more like 30, 32 days, you got that cash going in your pocket. So remember, it's about trust. And, yeah. Have a great day. Look how beautiful it is out here. These are the mountains. Let's connect. We can go move a few of those, okay? Have a good one, folks.